Welcome to MotorMan. In this channel we are providing information about different accessories of automotives. Follow the video description and click on the links for more details. Let's watch the video. Scrubit Microfiber Car Wash Sponge. These microfiber car wash sponges are professional quality, made to add beauty and shine to your car without the scratches. Scratch-free mesh side is great for removing more stubborn dirt. With the scratch-free mesh on one side and the super soft wash noodles on the other, you can get rid of the toughest of dirt. The microfiber is strong and durable, with an 87/13 split. But it's also soft and made to save your car from scratches. If unsatisfied, you will get refund. Next, Polyte Microfiber Scratch-Free Car Wash Detailing Exterior Interior Sponge Set. Tackles more cleaning with better results. Lint-free and scratch-free. Highly effective microfiber captures dust, dirt, debris and grime. Safe to use on hard surfaces, paints and clear coats. Use dry for dusting or applying waxes, conditioners or other liquid protestants to detail and clean interiors. Use wet for super soapy sudsy cleaning of exterior body and wheels with mesh to remove tough dirt, grime, bugs and bird droppings. Perfect in size for a comfortable grip and hold. Next, VIKING 845,100 Mesh Bug Sponge Cleaning Wash Sponge. Unique microfiber mesh safely removes stubborn debris from glass and paint. High-density sponge holds plenty of car wash solution. Perfect when you need extra scrubbing power. Clear coat safe. It's washable and reusable. Next, Polyte Car Wash Sponge. Car wash sponges with smooth surface hold plenty of car washing solution, cleaning and polishing, can produce a lot of foam in a short time and clean the car without scratching. Effectively capture dirt particles. High foaming sponges have strong water absorption, texture of material is not easy to fracture, they are soft and durable. Can be used multi-purpose like cleaning of cars, kitchen, glass and furnitures. If you are not satisfied with this product, you will get a full refund. Next, Armor All Microfiber Car Wash Pad. Give your car that professional detailed look. It could be your most favorite cleaning solution. Microfibers attract and lift dirt while protecting surfaces. This wash pad is very soft, gentle and totally scratch-free. It is washable when dirty. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel MotorMan and press the bell button to get more update and video on MotorMan on YouTube.